Hi everybody, on this video I want to talk to you about investor-friendly closing attorneys and what does that mean. Now there's tons of law firms in the country that close deals every single day, nothing unusual. However, not all of them are familiar with the ways investors close. Now of course there's the traditional purchase and sale method, and that's all fine and good. However, investors are taught many other ways to close that not all law firms are familiar with. Here's some examples. You have owner finance deals, you have subject to deals, you have wrap mortgages, contract for deed, assignments, assignment via quit claims, and subject to deals. All of those are ways that you're very rarely going to see a typical homeowner buy in. And so with these type deals, you need someone well versed. You could actually take the list of examples I just gave you and give it to or use it to interview a closing attorney when you're seeking one to work with and just see, are they familiar with closing each of these types of deals? If they are, there's a good chance they are used to dealing with investors. If not, probably not going to be your best choice. The last thing you want to do is have a closing attorney, quote unquote, figuring out how to close your deal. Trust me, I've tried this. It tends to create complications. There's usually several investor-friendly attorneys in any major city, but what if you're in a smaller market where there's less to pick from? A lot of times an attorney who closes in a particular state, they usually, and I can't speak for all 50 states, but they usually can close deals anywhere in the state. Usually the attorneys are licensed on a state basis. So if I want to close a deal in the middle of some country town in Georgia, no problem, my attorney in Atlanta can come in there and close that deal. And we've done that and it works just fine. So they don't have to be local to you, they just have to know the laws of the state in which you're doing business. So I hope that clears up what a good investor-friendly attorney is. Happy searching. Thanks.